Okay, susubukan kong gamitin tong nabili namin na micro spikes para dun sa outing namin this weekend. And itong sapatos na to, okay siya. Okay siya pang snow. Kahit na rain boots to, okay to pang snow. Pero yung pupuntahan kasi namin, pa-inclined daw. So paakyat yun. So I doubt nagagana kahit yung mga winter shoes ko. And yung winter shoes ko, ang gagamit nun si Ran. And sobrang okay din yun. Kasi hindi siya dumudulas. So, ganito yung itsura nung spike. Kailangan ko lang i-figure out kung saan yung harap. I think, oh my God. Saan yung harap nito? Okay, I think ito yung harap. Lagay natin. Oh wait, isintas ko lang muna. And, so dito sa Vancouver, yung temperature dito, between, like, pag halimbawa walang gabi na, mga alas 9, pag wala ng araw, hanggang alas 5, yung temperature between 7 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius. So, mainit na siya. And then, mas mainit pa siya kapag may araw kasi tumataas siya hanggang 17 degrees Celsius. Pero, yung pupuntahan namin, oh my God, ang tigas. Oof. Oh, okay. Hindi ko siya nasakto. Hindi ko siya pwedeng iapak dito sa cement. Either masira siya or masira yung... Oh, very nice. Yes. Yung pupuntahan namin, inner British Columbia pa siya. So, malamig pa doon, -3. And yung i-hike namin, ice. So, magkaiba kasi yung fresh na snow sa ice. Kapag masyado na siyang matagal sa lupa, nagbubuo na siya, para na siyang ice, so madulas. Ito yung gagamitin namin. And, so 6 hours na hike yun, paakyat at saka pababa, pero sobrang ganda daw ng view. And then, kailangan ko na lang ngayon bumili pa ng bear spray. Dito kasi sa Vancouver area, gising na yung mga bear kasi mainit. Pero doon, hindi namin ina-expect kung na tapos na sila sa hibernation nila. Pero, magdadala pa rin kami para sure lang. Wala akong planong makain ng bear doon. Okay, I think okay na to. 15 degrees Celsius. And feels like 15 degrees Celsius. Pero, hindi ko lang bakit nilalamig ako. And kakalmahan ko lang yung lakad ko today at saka bukas. Hindi ko ipupush ng 10,000 steps kasi sure ako na this weekend, papalo tayo ng 30,000 steps. Ang ganda ng araw today. Ang ganda ng science world. Maganda rin syempre yung Falls Creek na napaka-blue. Medyo maraming taong naglalakad ngayon dito sa bridge. May mga nagbabike din kasama yung mga aso nila. Ang cute, oh my God. May mga nagkakayak. I think nagre-race sila. Pero hindi kita dito sa camera ko dahil hindi nito kaya mag-zoom. Bear spray lang yung kailangan ko dito sa Canadian Tire. Tapos didiretso na ako dun sa Save-On, which is pagtawid lang. Kailangan din kasi namin ng sunblock. Magiging super sunny day daw this weekend dun sa mountain. So, ayoko matusta. I think kailangan ko magtanong dahil hindi ko alam kung saan naka-pet ko yung bear spray. I don't think so. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila hanapin. Okay, I think dapat nandito yun sa mga camping and hiking supplies. Okay, go lang. Actually, hindi ko sure kung kailangan din ba namin itong mosquito repellent. Pero wala kasi siya dun sa listahan, so I think hindi malamok dun. Hindi ko makita and ang weird na walang tao na mapagtatanungan din. I think sobrang busy sila, pero okay, hindi nasa pintura na ako. Oh my God. No. Okay, nakita ko na siya. Oh, hello.
You have to the cashiers because you
Okay.
need to fill a form for this one.
Oh, okay.
Just in the front and say I want to have a bear spray, want to buy a bear spray.
Okay.
So they can help me.
Alright, well, thank you so much. Okay, so, nandito silang lahat. And ito yung kailangan ko, 2 peraso nito. Counter assault. Okay. Hi, I'm looking for the counter assault bear spray. Okay. Yeah, two bottles, sorry. Okay, medyo komplikado pala bumili nitong bear spray. May mga papeles na pinirmahan. Pero, tingnan nyo tong saging. $39. And napakaliit. Parang feeling ko nagsasuffer siya. Okay, next. Sunblock. And marami namang choices dito sa Save on Foods ng sunblock. So, let's go. Nanggaganda ng mga halaman na for sale dito. Pero ayoko talaga ng mga halaman na namumulaklak lang. Gusto ko yung mga namumunga rin. Or at least nakakain yung dahon. Sunblock. Oh, I think nandito. Okay. Wala namang sinabi si Ran kung ano yung gusto niyang brand. So I think ako na yung pipili. Mura lang yung banana boat. I think ito rin kasi yung sunblock namin last summer. So, yeah. Okay. Wait. SPF 50. Okay. Ito pala actually yung gamit namin. Napaka-light lang nito. Ang problema kasi dun sa ibang sunblock, ang lagkit nila. Oh my God. And feeling ko malagkit na malagkit kapag hindi light yung ginamit namin na sun.
That makes sense that it's...
Okay, yung isa pang mukha, yung isa pang katawan. Pero gusto kong bumili ng, I'm not sure, parang gusto kong bumili ng mangunguya habang naglalakad pabalik sa bridge. Pero, ayun, naghahanap ako ng parang low calorie lang. Okay. Nakita ko yung gusto ko. Hindi siya sale today. Parang last time naka-sale to. Pero okay lang. Hindi ko naman dadamihan. $24171. Okay, let's go. So, ito siya. Mix nuts. Okay, let's go. Medyo malayo na yung na-drive namin and nandito kami sa, hindi ko lang anong lugar to, Abbots Ford, papunta dun sa mountain. And kita na yung mga snowy mountain dito. At saka isang malaking Americano at saka cinnamon bun akin. Medyo nahihiya ako mag-vlog sa sasakyan kasi hindi ko mga ka-close yung kasama, mga ka-office mate yun ni Ran na dala rin yung mga ibang partners nila. So, hindi ako masyadong ganun ka-komportable. May social anxiety ako. So, ito yung tsura ng breakfast wrap. Nag-stopover lang kami dito sa Costco. Kailangan din namin kasi bumili ng mga lulutuin pagdating doon. Oh my God. Ang init. Pero sarap niya. Ito yung tsura niya. Try it. And then, coffee, as usual. 11:30 na. Meron palang ketchup at saka hot sauce if you like.
Ano kaya hot sauce?
And ang baho dito, hindi namin sure kung isa ba yun dun sa amoy ng mga puno dito. Kasi may mga mabahong puno dito. Pero, yeah, sobrang baho niya. Pero wala naman kami makitang basura or anything. So, oh, thank you.
Okay, what's a little bread here?
Oh my God. How do they make it like so thick? Can I take a video of it? Oh my God. No. Okay. Super cold. Like, oh my god. Yeah, it's super cold. Ang ganda dito. Pero sobrang lamig ng tubig. Ah. Ito yung, ito yung balcony ng Airbnb na to. And, napakalaki niya. Parang four stories siya. And, nandito yung parking lot. And kita na dito yung snowy na bundok. And I'm not sure kung yun ba yung aakyatin namin.
Okay, maybe we can put it that way.
And ito ang living room dito sa second floor. Oh my God. Hindi ko sure kung totoong antlers ba tong mga to. Pero oh my God, it's so nice. Punta tayo sa third floor. Ito yung... Oh my God. Oh, whose room?
Oh, okay.
So that's the sixth bedroom. The sixth bedroom. Yeah. Oh, okay. Ito yung bedroom number 1. Very nice. Tingnan natin tong bedroom number 2. Oh, may TV rin. And magulo yung baba. So may living room din dito sa baba. And may fireplace. Ito ang fireplace. Gumagana daw yan. And nandito yung bedroom number 1. Oh, hindi gumagana yung ilaw. Ayan. And tatlo yung washroom. Washroom number 1. And then ito, literal na washroom, laundry room. And look at this popcorn maker. Pang fresh pa tong popcorn na to. Pero I think gagamitin namin to later. Okay, lahat sila nasa taas. And isa lang kasi yung bedroom dito sa baba and kinuha na namin. So we have the whole floor. This is the bedroom that we're staying in tonight. And ang daming mga antlers. I think totoong antler to. Kasi nakakabit pa siya sa skull. Oh my God. Ito rin, parang nagkakaroon na ako ng appreciation para sa mga bagay na antlers. There's also a fire pit outside. For this?
Yeah,
Also, this is not like...
this is electric, I guess.
Oh, this is not a real...
Oh, the real fireplace is in the top.
Oh, okay. Let's take a video of it. Oh my God. So this wood here is just for display.
Yeah, it's just like closing up. Yeah. And as in like because of the renovations, my whole team is like moving to third floor. So you know that the other section which you guys will eat it.
Yeah. So funny.
I want to try the red first.
Yeah, this is your choice. Oh no. You should, I think that was staying.
Did you have that time?
Oh, blow.
No, fire up.
No, not yet, not yet.
Not yet.
Everything has to catch.
I'm ready. Just serve it.
And then it goes out in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm ready. But for later.
Oh my God.
Looks so good, right?
Yeah. Thank you for the food.
My PG.
Yeah, my PG. I want sweet potatoes.
Oh, we prevailed. Just roll it in the thing. It's just like.
Good morning, world. Alauna na. I think alauna na kami nakatulog kagabi.
Natagalan kami dun sa... Oh, sobrang ang sarap kasi nung feeling nung bonfire. And hindi na ako nakainom ng supplements ko. Pero okay lang yan. Isang gabi lang naman. Ito yung ginagamit ko na multivitamins today. For the past year. Which is good. And medyo okay naman yung lighting dito sa washroom nila. Hindi na masama. Kailangan ko rin mag-shower dahil sobrang amoy usok ako. Yung buhok ko, amoy cedarwood siya. Yung ginamit na panggatong doon sa bonfire. Oh, hindi ko pala nasa. And okay naman yung shower nila. Walang bathtub. Pero maganda yun siya. And ayun, malamig pa rin dito. Mamaya, sabi, 2 degrees Celsius pag paakit namin sa bundok. So, kailangan ko mag-prepare. Oh my God, may mga moment na biglang lumalamig yung water. I think dahil naliligo na rin yung mga tao sa taas at hindi kinakaya nung heater. Yung dami nung kailangan niyang painitin na gripo at saka shower. Biglang lumalamig yung tubig and oh my God. And hindi ko pa rin na-unpack lahat nung, well, yung Kairan in-unpack na. Ako yung nag-pack lahat niyan. And malaki yung cabinet dito. Tingnan niyo. Kaso yung pinto niya parang, pinto sa kwarto na pag binuksan pa ganyan. So, magte-take siya ng space. Pero malaki siya. Maraming pwedeng ilagay. And, I don't know. Pero, nagdala kami ng bear spray. 2. So, 10 kami dito. And isa lang rin yung nagdala pa ng bear spray. So, in total, meron kaming 3 bear spray. Paghati-hatian lahat. Pero, hindi naman kami totally nag-expect ng bears. And magiging matao rin daw sa trail today. So, I think we're good. Yung crampons, dala rin namin. And snowy dun sa trail. 6 hours packet pababa. Mga damit, underwears. Alisin natin to. Cotonel. Kahit saan kami magpunta, lagi kaming may dalang ganito. Dito. Sunblock. Sunblock na pang muka. And mga extra ko na damit. Hindi ko na-expect na magagamit ko to lahat. Susutuin ko to pang loob. Or siguro sila na lang magsusuot nito kasi mali yung na, hindi yung mountain. So ito, Helly Hansen. Sobrang effective nito na thermal. Maganda siya sa pang winter. Komportable ito suotin up to mga -15. And then, patungan mo lang siya ng hoodie, komportable na siya. So susuotin ko to. Hindi, si Ran pala magsusuot nito. Kasi yung hindi ko nadala yung mountain equipment niya. So itong Helly Hansen ko yung isusuot ni Ran. Then, took. At saka gloves. Mas komportable yung gloves na covered talaga lahat nung kamay. Pero ito yung pinili ko kasi ito yung pwedeng pang cellphone at saka pang pindot-pindot ng camera. So magpipindot-pindot kasi ako ng camera. So we're good. Extra socks. Sobrang ganda nitong wool ng mga socks na to. Komportable ito. Underwear. Socks. Oh my God. Nakapagdala ba ako ng... Okay. Itong toque. Gusto ko, gamit ko tong toque na to nung nasa terrace ako kasi sobrang ang hirap lumabas doon ng walang toque. So, sa terrace, parang naka-winter coat na ako, may toque, and then mask, and then glasses para sa mata, lalo na pag winter. So, covered lahat, pati yung buong muka. Ayun lang. I think pagsasama-samahin ko na lang muna yung mga t-shirt. And napapressure ako magmadaling and na-late kasi kami ng bangon and nagbe-breakfast na sila sa taas. Okay. Okay. I think okay na muna yan.
So younger is 7, 12. 5, 10. Oh. like, yeah, recently. Oh, yeah. 7. Oh, I think you told me.
Uppers, what do you want?
Two.
Do you have our pre-run sugar?
Oh, it's It's a
Yes, so
top.
I'm above the microwave and
Yeah.
there's
Oh.
sugar.
How about you, Julia? But then I'm still watching it too. Maybe I can handle 10. I'm joking.
I will stop it.
Yeah. Is it not as active as I think? So,
Oh, ito yung view natin today. Oh my God. And medyo mainit actually. Siguro mga 10 degrees Celsius ngayon. Ah, so nice. Wala akong microphone pero so ngayon ko na-realize na yung mga property dito parang halos lahat puro Airbnb dahil nasa ski hill, parang ski resort to. And so I don't think na may mga tao talaga na nakatira dito. Kasi parang 2 bahay lang yung nakita ko na may ilaw. Kagabi, ito at saka yung katabi. The rest, may ilaw sila pero hindi yung ilaw na para sa mga tao na may, sa mga bahay na may tao sa loob. So I don't think na occupied tong, like 100% occupied tong village na to.
Need some water to stay. Yeah.
There's the lid is down in the right next to it.
The next biggest one.
I wouldn't do this alone.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's not my fault.
Oh, not me.
Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa resort na nasa taas ng bundok and nagkahiwa-hiwalay kami ng mga kasama namin. Hinihintay lang namin sila dumating pero tingnan nyo, ang daming Tesla na charger dito. Lahat yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parang mga 7 Tesla and may mga nagcha-charge. So I think nagbabiyahe rin talaga ng malayo yung mga tao gamit yung Tesla cars nila. And puro kabundukan dito. Ito lang yung resort na nakita namin after ng mga siguro 1 hour na drive. And then puno at saka kabundukan lang talaga yung kita.
After ilang hours, tayo mag-retouch na. Are you doing 360?
No. Hindi ka kayanin ng battery. Oh my God, start na kami. Okay, kanya-kanya munang picture dito sa starting point. Dito kami pupunta sa Windy Joe. Ooh, snowy.
Oh, yeah.
Nag-uumpisa nang maging masukal at saka mas snow yung daan. 3 hours papunta to. Then 3 hours din pabalik. And nasa first 5 minutes na tayo ng lakaran. Oo. Ito na yung unang ilog. Medyo tumabingi na yung tulay pero hindi naman ganun kalalim yung ilog. Oh my God, napakaganda. Oh, tingnan nyo yan. Kailangan lang namin sundan lahat ng mga may kulay orange na puno na ganun. And yun yung palatandaan na nasa trail pa rin kami. Moss. It's moss.
Birds would love that.
Yep. And nakalimutan ko magdala ng shades. And nakakasilaw din yung mga snow dito sa gilid. Lalo pag tinatamaan ng araw. Let's go.
Railway.
Ah, really? Railway? 11:58 a.m. and 8:30 yung sunset. So, marami pa akong time. Pero oh my God, nakaka-teke yung mga snow. Akala mo minsan solid. Ito na yung pangatlong tulay. Oh, ang ganda.
Okay, are we taking a
I'm gonna show my two stick.
Darshan, come here.
It's because it's an apple.
Yeah, as soon as
Oh,
you
it's
get
an
apple,
apple? I'm gonna report this Amo.
little bit.
Darshan, you come over here.
Over here.
There you go.
You don't want to see or?
I can do as many. I can take photo. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 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 Okay.
Alright, thank you.
And sobrang dami ng mga putol na puno dito, mga nagkalaglagan. So parang na siyang obstacle course. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, nagkikrik yung mga puno. Tumutunog sila na para silang malalaglag. So kailangan namin magmadali. And ang dami pang mga puno na kailangan lusutan dito dahil nagbagsakan na sila. So I think yung mga puno dito banda. And it's creaking. Okay. Nakakatakot siya. Wanna record?
Okay. I'm not getting injured. No.
You need me to hold your stick?
No,
No.
he wants to record and do at the same time.
Whatever happens, I want it recorded. Of course I am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
you're good.
you.
You're good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on, Alex, let's go.
Oh my God. Pahirap na pahirap yung trail. Ito yung... At ang dami pang mga balakid. Pero hindi kami babalik. May mga nakasalubong naman kami. Sabi nila okay naman daw. Pag nalagpasan na tong area na to, magiging okay na. Is that easier? Yeah? Okay. Well, oh, thank you.
Your head.
Oh my God.
Okay, I will not hold on to it so it won't break.
Okay, Mama.
No, give your stick to Gina. And then use that branch to climb.
Oh, it's not stable. It's not stable.
This one.
I'm breaking everything. It's okay. Sorry about that.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
And then just
Step on the
slide down.
branch.
Yeah, slide down.
You're good.
Yeah, put your foot there.
Anytime you need support. And good.
There you go.
Okay.
Got your,
Let's
got
go,
Can you
guys.
please hold my stick?
Yeah. Just pass it. Nice.
You want to give that stick too?
No. If I'm gonna be,
You're gonna die. You're gonna die with your.
if I'm gonna die, I'm gonna have it recorded.
Cameraman never dies.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is very
Let's touch
true.
it. Touch
Never
it.
dies.
Touch it. Touch it.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Touch wood.
Touch what?
Yeah.
Touch wood. Touch wood.
Touch it. Touch
Yeah.
it.
Knock on wood.
Why?
Yeah. Knock on wood. You never know because
Yeah.
we set the thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
say things.
Yeah. You never know. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You can trust
And
that.
then,
Don't
oh,
forget
And just and it's like pretty flat here.
Oh,
so you
okay.
can-
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good.
all
And then
right.
watch your head here.
Thank you. Oh my God, ang alikabok.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, your hand.
Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilan yung mga ganitong klaseng puno na nakaharang dito. And dito sa kabila bangin.
Opening here. So when you get stuck in the mountains, you
Yeah, maybe trampoline.
Trampolines?
So once we settle there.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh.
perfect. The yolk.
The yolk is.
The yolk.
Oh my god.
I think it's cooked like 7 minutes.
Yeah. First lunch. Oh my god, puro snow na yung. Okay. Masarap to in fairness. Hindi. Aray ko. May mga patsi-patsi dito na medyo malalim. Pero hindi pa ako nagsuot ng spikes ko kasi medyo may mga lupa-lupa pa sa dulo. So I think kaya pa to.
I think this is the big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. It looks really bad.
Left, right.
Yeah, I don't think there's left or right.
There might be on the should say LR, but it doesn't fit that probably.
It's just says
Oh, okay. Then you get it.
LG.
yeah.
Getting it stamped. No.
Oh. Are you good?
Get me. Ooh, oh, nice grip.
Alright, let's go. May parang waterfall dito or ilog pero naririnig ko yung tubig. Walang makitang maagos, parang puro yelo sila. Ito masok.
halfway crew. We've lost like 4 people. We lost 4 people, but
We'll recover them.
Yeah, we'll recover them. We'll bring them back.
We're on our rescue mission.
We'll bring them
Yeah.
back.
There's also grass in the
Oh no! Yeah, it's like the boat cover or whatever. Yeah.
Border.
Yeah.
Carla, how about yours? Is it
Yeah, it has been filming the whole time. Like, we can also like, just wanna, like
Just jump then. Everyone.
count of 3.
We all there?
Count 3. Like,
Count of 3? You
Yeah.
should count. You should count.
okay.
Let me take a shot.
I think everybody's
Okay.
in a
Okay.
shot. Okay, 1,
1,
2, 3. Ah!
There we go.
Let's see if it's good. Hindi kami umabot sa pinaka-tuktok.
I'm grabbing my camera. There's a pretty mountain there.
Okay. Magpi-picture na lang kami dito.
Oh, okay.
This
Oh,
will work.
it's here.
It will not.
It's having it.
I give up.
Yeah, mine won't stand. Mine won't stand.
Oh no.
Pababa na kami. Hindi kami umabot sa taas. Alas 2 na kasi. And feeling ko namin mas mahirap pababa. And nagkahiwa-hiwalay na rin kami. May mga nauna ng bumaba. Tapos yung kalahati, which is kasama kami, inattempt pa rin na umakyat sa taas. Pero, ayun nga, inabot na kami ng alas 3. Ay, so, hindi namin napansin na naiwan yung dalawa sa kasama namin. So, huminto lang kami dito saglit. Inom lang ang tubig. And binalikan siya nung mas experienced namin nakasama. Thank you so much.
The coffee is very strong.
Oh really?
I love
Like
it.
in a good way?
Yeah, yeah.